I want to talk about recovery. Growing up, you always hear that drugs are bad. Well, I'm here to tell you that bad doesn't begin to describe the wreckage that drugs will bring to your life. From a heroin addict to a convict to homeless, I've been through an insane amount of adversity in my life. But I'm here to tell you, recovery is possible. I've been clean from drugs for over 4 years now, and I can easily say 2019 was the best year of my life. I know all these videos are cool and all, but they don't even compare to how cool sobriety is. We've lost countless people to this epidemic over the past decade, and I am so grateful to still be here to share my story. Thank you to everyone out here who is supporting me. Let's make 2020 the best year yet.